Everything you've ever touched has never actually touched anything. That sounds absurd, but it's one of the most verified facts in all of physics. Atoms, the building blocks of everything, are almost entirely empty space. If you took a single hydrogen atom and scaled it up so that its nucleus was the size of a marble, the electron orbiting it would be roughly 2.5 kilometers away. Everything in between is nothing. The Sun, for all its overwhelming presence, 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it, is made of the same stuff. Mostly nothing. But here's where it gets stranger. If atoms are mostly empty space, why can't you walk through walls? Why does anything feel solid at all? The answer isn't matter, it's force. When your hand touches a table, the electrons in your hand repel the electrons in the table through electromagnetic force. You never actually make contact, you feel resistance. That resistance is what your brain interprets as solid. The hardness of everything you've ever held, every surface you've ever walked on, every object you've ever built, none of it is a property of matter. It's a property of force fields at the atomic scale. Now scale this up. If you removed all the empty space from every atom in every human being on Earth, all 8 billion of us, the remaining matter would fit inside a sugar cube, the entire human race. One sugar cube. And if you did the same to the Sun, compressed all its matter with no empty space, it would collapse into a neutron star roughly 30 kilometers across. The most powerful object in our solar system is mostly nothing, held together by forces we still don't fully understand. And so are you.